Hello YouTube, happy Epic Motor Wednesday. Here we come to the elevator at the MGM Grand Hotel in Westlake City. It's a Toshiba. This is the low-rise bank. We're gonna go to 27. That's what's the indicator. We'll have a caveat this time. Very nice. No, we're not moving. There you go. Alright, let's go down to the lobby. Well, close my works, but like that. This is at the MGM Grand in Westlake City. Take this for another ride. So I can't get enough of this motor. Go to 27. Alright. I'm using my Sony TX30. So I get perfect quality. I do apologize for not letting videos for coming live because I've been busy with school lately. Hey.
Show to YouTube. Hey YouTube. YouTube, look at this.
And done live.
YouTube, look at this.
Put it in the trash can.
No, I'm so YouTube it.
That damaged my laptop. You can have the other but I don't eat it. I got my laptop.
I'm not gonna do it on my laptop. I'm still YouTube. Okay, I'm trying to make a hot boy today.
That's mine. Alright, here we are. It's about time to
Yeah! No, this is the egg show. Hello. Hello, the egg show is gonna be crashing today.
Alright, there it goes, and that's about it. Thanks for watching Happy Epic Motor Wednesday.